Hello and welcome to another Mondo tracking tutorial. Today we're going to go over the DVIR, which stands for Daily Vehicle Inspection Report. In your transportation company account, simply hit E-HOH DVIR. You're going to go to the DVIR tab, and here you'll be able to see all the DVIRs your drivers have uploaded to the system through the mobile app, the DVIR mobile app. Simply select which driver you would like to see. For this video purposes, we'll select all drivers. The time period we select for the past month. We're going to hit execute. As you can see, these are all the DVIRs created by these drivers. You get the timestamp, tractor number, trailer number. This will vary depending on your tractor number and trailer number. And over here, you'll be able to see or be able to excel those DVIRs in its format. As you can see, this is what it looks like. You're going to get the VIN number, odometer readings, trailer number, and the VIN number for the trailer. And anything that's check mark is a deficiency that needs to be checked. And over here you could see the driver signature. In the DVIR app, you could also upload pictures for any deficiencies, add comments, and the carrier could also e-sign it. That concludes our DVIR tutorial video. If you have any questions or would like to see more videos, you can visit our website at www.mondotracking.com. Thank you.